Hello guys everyone, here is Toyota Corolla, the turn signal switch repair. And so first of all what you need to do is unscrew the steering wheel and be careful because it is airbag, and then when you took away the steering wheel, you should remove the rivets from the steering wheel. Remove the rivets from the part where you turn on the lights. Took away this mechanism and unscrew the rivets from this place, and you also should be careful with this because it's the plastic there, and you also see that it is very dirty there, because in our car it is never fixed, it's never clean. It was from this time nobody opened this before, and actually how to fix this problem. Probably it is the problem, it's most like that the contacts need to be cleaned. We unbolt the Cooper plate and unclamp the spring, this metal little stuff what the push the Cooper plate to contact, and then we put it together again. We check it also because this part is turn on and turn off the lights, the closer lights and far lights, so be also careful because for first time we can't do it good, and the lights was different positions. We tried to turn on the closer lights, but it was far lights. So, but in the end, we fix it normally, clean it also. Here, tight, drag it out again together, all this mechanism, and also see it on the video and how we did it. It's very easy. You should have some couple instruments, and you can fix it by yourself, by your hands. You don't should go to car service or something. And now it's a steering wheel of machine. We put it again together, connect all contacts together, and after this we put their airbag. And then you also see these plastic little rings. When we fix it, we put it together also. So here we are, it's working. Thank you for watching.